The client wants us to remake their '08 to '13 Cadillac CTS. It's looking pretty beat up, so we're giving it a whole new trendy look. Loosen the side bolts and remove the side panel. Lay the seat back flat on the table and take off the headrest. Separate the foam cushion from the seat frame. We're installing a new, black seat cover. It's not just for a sleek new look, it's also great at hiding dirt. We'll tuck it snugly into the foam and, thanks to our custom patterning, it fits the original frame perfectly. This means a smooth, wrinkle-free finish that's even resistant to scratches and snags. The seat covers are installed around the leg area. Every single strap is precisely fastened, ensuring a secure and rattle-free fit. Simply snap the backrest cover into the foam. The material is engineered to be highly resilient, so you don't have to worry about any permanent creases. With the back panel installed, removing the backrest is the tricky part. Proceed to join the seat back in the base. The main Cadillac seat assembly is now complete. Finally, fit our new cover onto the original headrest. Check out this seat set made in our factory. Want one? Let us know in the comments. We offer a massive collection of over 2,000 seat designs. You're sure to find the perfect match.